Okay, good. That went well, the videos. So I think we're going to stick with this idea for a bit. So play with Guitar Pro for both things again. And what we have here with number one is similar to what you have been doing, but we don't have that quarter note at the end of the bar anymore. Now it is 100% of the time this 4/3 polyrhythm. So every chord is always going to be evenly spaced across those 3 beats. So keep doing the downbeat thing, or not downbeat, the strumming down for the whole thing, and have that foot tapping in there. So yeah, that went really well. So I want to keep doing it like that. Okay, move this over a bit. And I'll play along with the Guitar Pro at 60 to start. Here we go. $90. $120. Okay. Next one. We're going to... Oof. Just notice this is not showing up too well. Hold on. Let me change it. Palm mutes are not showing up properly. There we go. Okay. This one, yeah, so I'd like you to still keep practicing with Guitar Pro there. It's got the drums again. Make it easier to lock onto that rhythm. So we're going to switch over to reverse gallop and do a palm mute accent pattern with that. And basically, you palm mute all of the 16th notes, none of the 8th notes. Yeah, look, Guitar Pro's messing this part up here. Look, watch what happens when I make these bars bigger down here on the bottom. There they are. Now all the palm mutes are showing. Oh man, they're not showing all up here either. Come on. Oh, that's a shame. Man. Okay, it's all showing now. Yeah, sometimes Guitar Pro will not show all of what should be palm muted if things are too close together, which that's definitely a flaw in the programming there. But yeah, anyway. Yeah, so as I was saying, I'd like you to follow along with Guitar Pro so you hear the drums. It should continue to help with keeping the rhythm nice and tight. Palm mute all of the 16th notes, none of the 8th notes. Yeah, but I'm just going to use the old metronome here. All right. Here we go. 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E, 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 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 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. One, two. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Chord theory. So, yep, all the chord stuff you put in looked fine. So, what you're going to do next, I'm going to do movable 7th chord shapes. So, I have the first chord for each set of strings written out there. So, basically, it's going to be starting with your C major 7. And then you're just going to write in the rest. Then you go up to the A string and start going through those. So both of these, starting on the low B and the low E, they're going to look exactly the same. Then you got starting on the D string and the G string, or sorry, starting on the A string and the D string. Things are going to start looking a bit different there. So that's what it's going to be. But yeah, just fill those in, send it over, and any questions, let me know. I'll see you again next week.